How to make a poll on Instagram story. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Instagram application in your mobile device and then sign in to your account. Once signed in, you can simply tap on this plus button. Now you can simply tap on this camera icon. Now tap on create, and just like that, tap on this little icon right over here. Now select poll, and just like that, inside here you can simply type in your question. After that, here you will be able to customize your answers as well. You can simply tap on add another option and then type in your options. After that, you can simply tap on done, and just like that, once the poll is ready, you can simply tap on add story, and just like that, to check results, you can simply open up your story and swipe up to see who voted and what they chose. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.